transforming in terms of looking at education, because it's what she's done. She's put together this extraordinary project called Trauma-Informed Schools and Communities UK. And I'm so delighted to be a part of it. I mean, I've created things in the past, you know I have, but this is absolutely the best thing I've ever been involved in, because what she's done is she's done all of the research. So everything that we do, we run a diploma, which is an 11-day diploma for people working in schools. We run a community, a parents course, and so on. And everything is very much sitting in neuroscience, in sitting best psychotherapeutic research, societal research. And so she's given it such welly. Now we can talk and say, actually, the old days I was saying to you, well, we have to put the child at the center of it.
Yeah.
Now I've got all of the research that says, of course, this is what you have to do because this is what neuroscience tells us. And she's done that. And she's made her life in doing this. She's had such an impact. Well, she had an impact on me. But we have a team of people that are training people in this who are superb practitioners. A wonderful group of big-hearted, passionate people who are working with teachers and other people in schools to make a difference. And we're in, thousands of schools now.